I'm Henry from Group 38. So me and my teammate come up with a project called Drone-Based Agriculture. So let's talk about the project briefing. So as we all know, the agriculture sector was at the worst hit due to the lockdown and COVID-19 pandemic. So to overcome this, we're coming up with a drone which help the farmers to spray the pesticides to avoid human health issues caused by hand spraying. You see, this is the design of unmanned aerial vehicle, also known as UAV. This is commonly known as drone, which will be very helpful in agriculture. We're using 8086 microprocessor because 8086 microprocessor can fulfill all the requirement to code the drone and also to move, which will be very easy for the farming process. Our drone is equipped with two propellers to help it hover and move forward and backwards.
Now I would like to explain on the problem or issues of our drone. First one is bad weather, which might affect the usage of our drone. Next is regulatory authorities. Besides that, proper amount of dosage for different pesticides is needed for plants for farming. Our drone is only capable for short flight time between 20 and 60 minutes due to their relatively higher payloads. The purpose of our drone is to analyze soil and field for irrigation, fertilization, and for planting activities include checking nutrient levels, moisture concentrations, and erosion, among others. The goal of our project is to assess the health of any vegetation or crop, field areas inflicted by weeds, infections, and pests, and to know the exact amount of chemicals needed to fight the infestations. The expected deliverables from our project are optimizing the overall cost for the farmer, reduce poverty, raise incomes, improve food security, and reduce human power in agriculture.
So for the project resource and cost part, our project team is Drone Farmer Automation, and for the support resource, we expect that United Plantation Berhad Research Department and also Malaysia Drone Tech and DAC will help us throughout this project. And there are some special needs of this project, which are to spray the right amount of level of water, pesticide, herbicide, and also fertilizer base on the type of plant. And it is also a semi-automated device to reduce labor and also equipment. And it will detect the plant's health level with high accuracy. The cost estimation, we have ran through some resource costs, which are chemical engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, sales engineer, Arduino Uno, 7-segment display, stepper motor, thermal camera, irrigation nozzle, ducted fan, motor drive, GPS module, water tank, and also pump. And for the estimated cost, for the small scale, we expected that we will use 2,197 ringgit, and for the large scale, it is estimated to be 17,576 ringgit.
Next, the risk identification for our drone is divided into political, economical, social, technological, environmental, and liability risk, where economically the price of raw materials needed to construct the drone is very high. And besides that, socially the idea of using a drone for farming is still new to the farmers and to the public. And environmentally, the performance of the drone will be highly affected during heavy rain, heavy wind, or any other environmental disruptions. And further descriptions of risk are included in the table shown.
Now for the risk response matrix, where it contains the resource, response contingency plan, trigger, and also the person in charge. Next is for the SWOT analysis, where the strength is it helps farmers optimize the use of inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, water, and also pesticides. And also it contains weakness, opportunities, and also threats.
Finally, steps A to I shows the critical path method, which consists of the sequence of activities to be carried out to complete our project of agriculturally based drone.
For the conclusion, we can summarize into two parts, where the first part is about the advantages and the second part is about disadvantages of the agriculture drone. So the advantages of the agriculture drone, we can reduce the disease that caused by the agriculture industries, and we also can increase the sales and production from the agriculture industries. We can save monthly costs by reducing the number of workers, and we can improve food qualities by using the agriculture drone. The problem about the agriculture drone is it has a short flight time, and it's hard to get the regulatory authorities to use it. And the third one is the cost is too high, which is 17,576 ringgit. And the problem about the agriculture drone is it has unpredictable weather for the drone to fly, so it cannot fly properly if the weather is bad. So that's all from us. Thank you.